I'm back in the Raleigh area and on my way to meet Beau, my newest home buyer.
How did I get to be here with you?
Lottery money.
My favorite type. That's exciting.
I won Powerball. It was a ticket that wasn't bought. I'm like, okay, well,
Tell me a ticket that wasn't bought. You have to explain that.
Someone didn't want the ticket. They realized it was $30, and they said, no, I don't want that.
So someone before you in line said, I don't want this anymore, it's too expensive, and walked out.
Yes.
And then you bought it.
Yeah. I split it with my boss, and we ended up winning $1 million. It was crazy.
Do you have to split that with your boss?
Yes. But this happened for some kind of reason, and I'm like, I'm just gonna go with it.
Have you ever owned a house before?
No.
This is your first one?
First house. If I have to do a little project, I mean...
Like cosmetic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Budget. What are you gonna give me?
Think about $320, $325.
Oh, I'm into that. I'm really confident that we can get you something really good for $325. He just wants an open floor plan, enough room to entertain, and I found that perfect vibe at Porter's Point.
This beautiful house is in a brand spanking new community. It's a great place to start for a first-time homebuyer.
What do you think of this neighborhood?
I like it. It's
cute, right?
It's gorgeous. Kind of country feel.
What I love about this brand new community, it's brand new. Brand new houses. So you said you did not want any projects. There are no projects here, which is wonderful. What do you think of the house?
Outside is gorgeous.
Porter's Point has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, has 1,479 square feet, sits on almost a half an acre, and the price is at $307,000. Come on in, my darling.
Ooh.
I'm gonna take you all the way down there to give you a little sneak peek, and we'll come hit these rooms after. Look at this.
It's a really big ceiling.
I know, right?
You see that? I can't even, I'm like, not even close to that.
I can't even touch it.
No.
Is this cool or what?
It is. It's amazing.
All right, sneak peek. Let's go to the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are really nice size. Here's the main bedroom. Look how huge it is.
It's amazing.
Isn't this fun?
Pretty.
All right, so tomorrow, what can I do different for tomorrow?
I like this. So something like this, but I trust you, so.
I love that.
My life is in your hands.
I'll take your life, and then we'll go get food first. So we're in Benton today, and you can tell this community has a little bit more fancy houses, and it's kind of great. Mid-Pine Passage, it's a beautiful house. Open floor plan, exactly what he asked for. And I love now that he can compare 2 brand new houses to each other.
Love it. It's quiet, cute.
Right?
Love the cul-de-sac.
The cul-de-sac is really
at the end.
nice. Yeah, it's not gonna get a lot of through traffic, which is really nice. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about the house. Mid-Pine Passage. It's got 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1,833 square feet, sits on almost 2/3 of an acre.
It's a lot more yard.
And the price is just a little bit more at $340,000. All right, Beau, come on in.
Ooh. Love the high ceiling. Really open space.
It's really open.
It's exactly what I wanted.
And we're walking right into the drama. Like yesterday, we had to go down a hallway to kind of take a peek.
With the 3 guest bedrooms, even more people can stay and enjoy the guest bathroom. And the main suite is luxuriously large.
Amazing.
Right?
Love the high ceiling again. And I still have a ceiling fan.
You do?
Which I have to have.
Have to have, especially in the South here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Too hot.
It's way, amen to that. Okay, budget, I know we went up a little bit.
I could work with that.
Can I go up a little bit tomorrow?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, good.
Now that I know I get more space for more money.
Ooh, she's getting bougie. And Talamore Trussell absolutely has a different vibe than the other 2 neighborhoods, but it's a lot of space. Question is this gonna be too much space for Beau, or is he gonna feel right at home, just like I think he is? So we're on a cul-de-sac again, no through traffic. And look at this house, what do you think of it?
A little bit bigger than the other ones.
A little bit bigger, a little more showy.
Love it.
It's cute, right?
Yeah.
So today's house is Talamore Trussell.
Okay.
It's got 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It's 2,156 square feet. Sits on a much more modest lot at 0.17. And the price, I went up again. $359,900.
Okay, I can make it that
Well,
work.
can't hurt to look, right? Come on in.
Ooh.
Right? Lot to take in.
Dinner is right here when I walk in. Perfect for like family dinner though.
Exactly. And this is a great space because you'd set a much larger table here for holidays. Walk with me. And have the table go all the way through the dining room. And you could have 40 people here comfortably.
So it opens 2 ways.
Yeah. So yeah, we have an L shape, so it's not a true open floor plan, but it's very open. Now we're getting some fanciness. We have an eat-in kitchen right off the kitchen. Great kitchen. What do you think of the color of the cabinets?
I like it.
You like it?
Because I like color.
With the second story, there's a whole lot more square footage. The 3 guest bedrooms and bathroom are on one side of the house, while the spacious main suite is separate.
Ooh,
Right?
really big.
It's
Love
big.
it.
It's not as big as Mid-Pine Passage, but it's still a nice, appropriate size main bedroom. You're about to buy your first house. Are you ready for all this adulting?
No, but I have to grow up sooner or later, so I might as well grow up now.
Time has come.
Exactly.
All right, so let's talk about these houses. Porter's Point.
You come in through that entry hallway, it just opens up and it's like, okay,
Yeah.
high ceiling, here's everything in the house, you gotta see everything, so it's a lot more open.
Yeah.
And then the backyard just has options.
Yeah. Nice size on a half an acre, and our most inexpensive house.
I have options with that.
You do. Okay, so then you're like, just keep going. When you said that, I was like, I'm just gonna keep going up, right? Up in
Because
square-
more is better.
More is better. So Mid-Pine Passage.
Backyard was really big.
It was huge.
Endless options for that
Endless.
one. That one also had a side piece in the kitchen, little office.
Yeah. What did you think of the main suite there?
The separate tub and shower.
Oh, it was so nice.
So, relax my feet. Nice hot bubble bath,
So then I took you over to Clayton, and we saw Talamore Trussell.
The biggest of all of them.
Biggest of all.
I really liked because it was so spacious. You had so much room. You have endless options.
Big, beautiful bedroom. Biggest main bath.
The shower was bigger than both
huge.
of the other ones.
Yeah. Smallest backyard. And also had our biggest price tag.
But if it's worth it, then
Love you. Just if it speaks to you.
and I have the money to do it, so why not?
You deserve whatever house you choose. Speaking of, what are we deserving today? You gotta tell me, where do you want me to put you?
After thinking about it, I'm gonna have to go with Porter's Point.
I love that house. I really do.
Having that big open welcoming spaces, you want to see what's at the end.
Right.
And the fireplace brings everything
Yeah.
together, just
Yeah.
makes it all cozy. So it's just home sweet home.
I love this. It's been a true pleasure getting to know you. You're an amazing human.
Thank you.
Give me some love. Let's get you into this house, shall we?
Yay.
First time you were.
I ended up choosing Porter's Point. I just feel like it fits me the best. Favorite thing about the house is just the open floor plan, being able to kind of entertain. If you want to cook, I could just entertain.
Well, I mean, I can do that.
With my parents being 30 minutes away, I can still have them over, kind of cook for them, catch up on life, and still have that distance where I still have my privacy on my side.
That's the way I normally do it.
Okay, so you do it in half.
Yep.
Cooking is a process. Today, teaching how to cook sausage.